Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Wednesday. Today we will discuss how you can transfer files from one machine to another without using any application. In this scenario, we will be using Android, iPhone and a Windows based machine, and we will transfer files between these three devices. So to do that, you don't need to install any application. You just need to open a browser in your device and go to a website called snapdrop.net. And as soon as you do that, it will be available for any other device to locate and transfer file. Now you need to do the same thing on all the devices or two devices that you want to do a transfer, but the only requirement is that there needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I've just logged in on my Windows, my Android. Now I'm doing on my iPhone as well. As soon as I do that, all the devices are discoverable between themselves. As you can see, my Android device is on my right hand side. As you can see now, this is my Android device, and my iOS device is in the middle, and my Windows device is on my left. So if I want to send a file, so what I just need to do is I just need to click on a device name and select a file which is saved on my machine to transfer the file. In this case, I'm going to send a PowerPoint file to my Android device. I'm selecting a PowerPoint file, and when I click open, what it will do is it will initiate a transfer. As you can see on my Android device, it's receiving a file. Once I click on save, it will save it straight away, and I will be able to open and work on it. As you can see, I'm just opening it on PowerPoint, and it's open. Now you can perform the same steps on any device that you want to send the file from, and you will be able to receive it on the other end the same way we just did. So to do that, you don't need any application, you don't need any kind of access rights or anything involved. You just need to be on the same network and a browser installed on your device. Simple as that. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want me to cover any other topic, leave the comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.